it's me, LPS Lover Forever, and, well, I'm just on my page right now. I'm in the room that I'm playing in. There's a dartboard, because darts are fun. Sorry, my camera's like a 30. Yeah. Anyway, I'm wearing Tinkerbell pajama pants, and it's $12.75. Okay, don't think that I'm spoiled and I get to stay in my clothes all day. I don't. I actually get yelled at if I don't change. Guess what? I want to show you a picture that I drew of the signature golden retriever, and I want you guys' opinion. Should I name her Lacey or Sadie? There's two. Okay, so here it is. I put Sadie right up there, but sorry, it's like yellow. It's how it is. It's like, because I colored it with crayons and they didn't have the exact color. Like, so I didn't. So yeah. I think it turned out really nicely. And yeah, I just want to make a video. I made a video of putting my webcams on the fan, but then I deleted it because they were boring. Money! They have a pool out there. Oh, see? Pretty. Okay. I watched one of my own videos. I like to do that. So, yeah, I just wanted to make a video. And I get to get the signature golden retriever in a few weeks. Yay! So, yeah, that's why I need your guys' opinion. Like, yeah. Don't ask what habit I need to break, because I'm not going to tell you guys. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye!